guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day. If you paid attention to yesterday's video, right? I told you guys about this, basically just forming that handle, right? Which is what we had today. And then this trade, which you could have taken all the way down at 11:55, 12 p.m. So that was the trade of the day, honestly, today. But honestly, if you just notice, right, left inverse cup, the handle, beautiful handle, right shoulder off that handle, and beautiful way down, right? So essentially, how much point 680? So 50-point move, right? So same thing, right here, right? We see um, inverse cup, right? Handle, right? And you could literally take it off left shoulder head, right shoulder, beautiful right shoulder right here, and all the way down to purple. Same thing. You can see how the 5 minute and the 30-minute just align perfectly, right? So that's all you just needed, honestly, for the trade confirmation and taking that short from this right shoulder right here, and then all the way down to the support, purple, right? And what you see is, honestly, why we didn't have the continuation is we just didn't have that selling, right? That strong selling activate, right? If we did, we would have seen at least this inverse cup close right here at this level. So we just didn't see that, and that's fine, right? But that can be also an indicator, right? And this purple is where it's going to come into play, right? Where we have now built this beautiful left shoulder head, and then now this head, right, off of right here, and we can easily bounce from a right shoulder here, and then take up the highs, right? So this is a pretty strong signal of a potential reversal, especially because we did reclaim 50-day at the end of the day, right? So just pay attention to that. Don't have a short bias, right? We're still in the early areas, right? But if you are to short this, you need to wait for a better risk to reward, right? So for example, you should not be shorting it right here. Like, look at this risk to reward, right? Compared to the trade that we took today, where the risk reward was this big, while the risk was basically this much, right? So if you take that into consideration, let me just give you guys an accurate, so 1 second. So this is essentially, let me just do it. So this is basically almost a 4 risk reward ratio, which is a pretty good trade, and not bad at all. So that's just one trade. It's not the best trade, right? But it is a trade, because we were basically ready for it, especially because we understood the market context, right? So pretty easy trade that which it was, right? So especially if you watch yesterday's video. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy, but of course, pay attention, because this can be the godmother of reversals, and we did set up nicely for it. We did build this beautiful head, right? And then right shoulder 5 days gonna come down, right? So we're gonna have that beautiful right shoulder off of 5-day and 20-day, right? So just pay attention to that. There's very gonna be good opportunities, but again, shorting this, right, left shoulder head, we need to wait for that right shoulder off of here, right, and then right shoulder right here, and then we can start, then again retest this purple, right? But of course the market can, so you just have to pay attention to the market, and just trade as the structure demands, right? We don't really call, I never call basically, we're in a bullish, bearish, right? It does, unless like we see the moving averages align, right? But in this type of phase, we are still in unknown areas, so just trade as structure demands. There's not really a scenario that I can really just define yet, right? We just need to see more, and let the market keep revealing itself. And essentially how that's going to go is with the 5-day just moving down below the 50-day, etc., and then the 5-day moving price down with it. That would be more of a confirmation of a bearish market, right? But we just don't have any of that yet, so just pay attention to that. Don't be rushing this at all. and I have wings in my air fryer right now, so I'm really trying to eat that. And I have my Chipotle Tabasco smoked barbecue sauce. Oh my god. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye.